Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And today we will understand how to generate triangle chart in Tableau. So for that, first of all, you will have to create one Excel file which consists of path 1 to 3. Close the file. Now go in the sample superstore data. Select the data source. From here, remove the people, remove returns. Click on Add, Microsoft Excel. Now connect that Excel sheet with this data set. Book 1, open 1. Drag sheet 1 and in the canvas, a window will appear. Click on create relationship calculation, write 1. Similarly, 1. Both the data sets are connected with each other. Click on sheet 1. Now you can see the path is generated. The next thing which you will have to do is click on this path, create the bins. Right on here. 1. Click OK. Now I'll generate the index. So create the calculated field, index. Press OK. Now pick up the subcategory from here and drop it into the colors. Make the marks as polygon. Now pick up the path pin from here and drop it into the path. Now we will create the TC sales. So create the calculated field, TC sales. And the syntax for this is Windows sum. Enter. Sum. Enter. Sales. Divide by 2. When you get the message that the calculation is valid, you can proceed further. Got the message. Click OK. Now I want to create the parameter, the distance parameter. Create the parameter, not the field, parameter. Write down here distance. Convert this into the integer. And make this 10. Click OK. Now again go in the creating the parameter, create the parameter. Now name this as size. Again make this as integer. Again keep the current value 10. Click OK. So we are having distance and size. Now we want to generate the TC ranks. So again click here, create the calculated field and write on here TC ranks. Rank unique. We want to give the unique rank to the sum to the TC sales. Wait for some time. The calculation is valid. Proceed further. Press OK. Now I want to create the X position and Y position. So again I'll go here, create the calculated field @X. So I'll write down the syntax here for X position. If index is equal to 1, then index minus size. Else if index is equal to 3, then index plus size. Else index. And then you will end the syntax plus distance into the TC ranks. This is the X position which we have created. Click OK. Now we want to generate the Y position. Again, create the calculated field. And this time, generate Y position. Let me increase the font size. That will be much better. So if index is equal to 2, then TC cells, else 0. And press N. So X position and Y position is created. Click OK. Now what you will have to do is you will have to drag this X position and drop it into the columns. Similarly, you will have to pick up the Y position and drop it into the rows. Now you will activate from here. Compute using the path pins. 1. And from here compute using the path pin. Quite good. Triangle is ready. Let's proceed further now. Let me decrease the opacity from here. Click here and make this opacity 50%. Enter. Now activate from X position. Edit the table calculations. A window will appear. From here, activate TC ranks. And in this, remove the stick from path bin and activate the subcategory. So the triangles are ready. You can see here the triangles are ready. Now, I don't want this y-axis. So remove the tick from here and y-axis will be gone. Similarly, remove the tick from here also. So you can see the headers are gone. Now what you will have to do with the help of Control tab, drag this Y so that two charts are generated, right? Two charts are generated. Now activate from here entire view. Now there are two things. Two charts are there, Y delta and Y2 delta. Y2 delta is for this one and Y delta is for this one. Activate Y2 delta. And in Y2 delta, convert this thing into line. So you can see now it's having a line chart. Now in this, activate the labels, so mark labels. But there are some selections which we'll have to do from here. So minimum, maximum, line pi, and remove the tick from label minimum value so that it gives you the good result here. So only the maximum values are generated. Okay, click here. Now you will have to click on delta. Just a minute. Now with the help of Control tab, make sure the Control tab is on. You drag Y on the labels. Now from activate here, from here activate format. Convert this thing into currency customs. And as it looks clumsy, you can change this into thousands. This looks quite good. So you can see the highest sales are generated. If I want, I can also represent the subcategory from here. So pick up the subcategory and drop it onto the labels. So you can see the subcategories are also displayed on the chart. Now what I'll have to do is I'll have to superimpose these two charts. And how can we do it? It's very quite simple. From here, I'll activate this thing and I'll make this dual axis. So both the charts have superimposed each other. Now, if I want to change, you can say the font size and anything from here, I'll activate the label. And in this, I'll activate the text. So at present, the things are displayed as 330 rupees and phones are displayed like this. Introduce a colon, delete, apply. So now it will be displayed like this. So I feel that the previous one was much better because it's getting clumsy. Enter, apply. So if you want, you can change the settings from here. So this is a way you can generate the triangle chart in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.